hybrid tune to get the car tuned up. You just see what it does. Hi guys, okay, so yeah, went to hybrid tune, had the car tuned up. There was a few problems previously with the old tune, people think the ECU, but I don't go too much into that. But anyway, the guys at hybrid tune done an absolute great job. We fit some new fuel injectors first, some CP injection, just a bit more, more modern injectors. So got onto the Ronnie Road and we made 360 horsepower. Yeah, I mean, with the original ECU and original tune, it made about 380. But as Sam, the owner of Hybrid Tune, said on a day, different dyno, different day, different results. But one thing I can tell you is, if you have a look at the tune now, you can see the new one and the old one is a massive difference. The old tune was a lot more rough around the edges, whereas Sam's tune is a lot more cleaner. So yeah, I will go back to hybrid tune at a later date for some more polishing bits around the rest of the ECU parameters, but for now everything's pretty much perfect. The other problem I had as well is that there was a cutout of the engine at certain load and certain speed and stuff, and on track it did it as well once or twice. Anyway, found it out to be the inner parameters for the throttle body. The amp drawage for the throttle body was too low, so it was tripping the ECU. So Sam dealt with that for me, brought it back up to 8.6 amps in the software, and that's all working fine now, so that's really good. So yeah, I mean, as I said, 360 horsepower for an M113 normally aspirated 5.5 engine is good. They were for about 347 from the factory. Yes, so I think that actually made 354 horsepower, split hairs. And then there was the torque, but the torque is fantastic. The torque is actually, in Newton meters, it made, 485 Newton meters of torque, which is fantastic. I mean, so anyway, got a trade day coming up now at Brands Hatch at the end of the month. Join me for that one, guys. But yeah, take care. Bye bye.